everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make egg prawn fried rice. So let's get started. To make this, first we need 1 bowl of rice. Transfer it in a larger bowl. Now I'm going to use 1 egg. Break the egg and mix well with the rice. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all button for all updates. I post new videos every week. Now add salt to taste. Mixing is done. Now turn on the gas and place a pan over the gas. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of refined oil and spread the oil. Now I'm going to add 1 medium size of chopped onion. Then I'm adding 1 small or medium size of carrot. Cut it into julienne. Then I'm using capsicum. Here I use half a capsicum. Cut it into julienne. Mix them well and fry for few minutes. Then I'm adding prawns. If you don't have prawns or you have an allergy in prawns, so you can skip it. Now add salt to taste. Add salt according to the veggies and prawns and adjust the amount of salt because we already used salt on the rice. Now I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper. Mix well and fry for few minutes on low to medium heat. Now I'm going to add the rice. Mix it well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar according to your taste. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix well and fry until the rice are separated from each other and fry well. Cook on medium heat. Turn off the gas now. Our egg prawn fried rice is ready to serve now. Serve it hot. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.